Hi guys, and welcome to this episode of Caked. My name is Asma, and today I made a cream tart in the shape of a moon and a star for our Ramadan and Eid celebrations. Let's get started. Hi guys, and welcome to this episode of Caked. My name is Asma, and today we are going to be making a moon and a star in a cream tart for Ramadan and for Eid. I can't believe Ramadan is almost over. It went by so quickly. To be honest, I really enjoyed quarantine Ramadan because it got us really focusing on what was important. But it is kind of sad knowing that Eid is just around the corner and we are still stuck in this predicament where we can't see our family, our friends, and Eid is definitely going to be different this year. No Eid namaz, no families, no nothing. So do whatever you can to pick yourself right back up. We have to celebrate Eid anyway and make different traditions this year. So I decided to make a cream tart, which was so delicious. I can't even tell you. I finished mine already. I would highly recommend this recipe. It was so good. And I'm probably going to make it again for Eid because it was that good. So I definitely recommend trying this one out. So to start making this recipe, I used an almond dough, which is basically like an almond cookie dough, and it was really delicious, so I highly recommend this one. You used almond flour for this. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. Once I made the dough, I put it in the fridge for an hour in saran wrap and then pulled it out. And before you roll it out, you might want to warm it up with your hands a little bit and then just roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Whatever design you want to make, whether you want to make a letter or a moon and a star like I did, I cut it out in a piece of paper and put it directly on top and just trace it out. You can do any design that you want. Just make sure whatever design you do, you make 2 of each so that you can layer them up in a tart. So I made 2 moons and 2 stars and put them on a tray. Before putting these in the oven, I put them in the freezer for about 5 minutes just so that they stiffen up a little bit so that they don't spread too much in the oven. And then I put them in the oven for 14 minutes. And then they came out perfect. Now for the filling, I used a pastry cream that was mixed with some whipped cream to make a little bit of a whipped pastry cream. And it was so delicious. I love vanilla custard, so to me this was the best filling ever, and it was so good. I can't even explain to you how good it was. You should definitely try it. But on the downside, it looks more of a custard filling, so it was a little bit off-white, yellowy, and it's not white. So if you're looking for more of that white look, I would go more with like a cream cheese icing instead, and then you'll get that nice pretty white look. I didn't mind using this cream because my macarons were actually pistachio and I was going to be spreading a little bit of pistachio on the top anyway, so it would have made it look a little bit green. So it was completely fine to me. Plus it tasted so good that I don't even care and I'm the one eating it, so I'll put the recipe that I used in the description box below, and I'll find a recipe for you for the cream cheese icing that I'll put in the description below as well. Then I took my piping bag with a round tip. You don't have to use a round tip. You can use a star tip as well, whatever floats your boat, and pipe all the way around your moon and your star. Then you take the other half of the cookies and put them right on top. Do this very carefully. You don't want them to break. Then once again, you pipe your dots all over the moon and the star to cover your whole base. Then for the toppings, you can really do whatever it is you'd like. I added my pistachio macarons that I made the other day because pistachio always gives me the Ramadan Eid feels. And then on top of that, I added strawberries, raspberries, meringue cookies, pistachios. I added some mint leaves just to make it look a little bit more green. And I added some gold leaf on top just to top it all off. You can add whatever it is you'd like. Go crazy with it. You can add candy, sprinkles, flowers, lollipops, do whatever it is you'd like. Go with whatever theme you'd like and just have fun with it. If you are using fresh fruit, you might want to use some jam to cover up the fresh fruit a little bit just to preserve it if you're not eating it right away. And that's it. This is super easy to do and it looks super cute on the table and it tasted delicious. I finished my entire thing already and I'll say it actually even tasted better the next day because the cream got a chance to mix into the cookie a little bit and it softened a little bit and it was amazing. I even want to make this again now. So I would definitely say to give this a shot and to try it out for Eid. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And this is the last few days of Ramadan, so I hope you guys are making the most of your Ramadan, and I hope you guys are all making dua that COVID-19 goes away very soon. I hope you guys have a wonderful Eid. Make the most of it. Have your virtual Eids with your family. I know I will be. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.